Shoot. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
These are my vows, I promise to be honest with you. I'm always gonna open your door. I'm always gonna hold your hand, never let it go. And baby, I vow, right here, right now, I'm always gonna make you smile.
Hello! Every time.
What is up, everybody?
So today's a special day because somebody in this room starts
first grade.
Molly!
Molly, what are you doing, honey?
Molly, come here, baby girl.
Molly.
Don't mind our dog. Molly, come on.
Her butt was in the camera.
Molly,
Let's just, I know,
okay.
you can be in the video. Just
Join
come over
me.
here. Come over here, Molly. Let's just, here,
Oh,
Molly, come
no.
I'll fast forward this stuff. Okay. So, anyways, it's you guys, Rottweilers are so vicious. Just so
Okay.
you know.
Anyway, so today is Taylor's first, well, not today.
In 2 days.
2 days.
First day of what?
Kindergarten.
Really?
First grade.
Yeah.
First grade.
First grade, you guys. So we're gonna go back to school shopping and get her all the stuff that she needs. What?
You're gonna cry.
I am gonna cry.
I know, Mom is gonna
How'd you know that?
Because you did last time.
Because it's sad. You're my baby.
Anyways, we are gonna go to the store
do the video?
and we're gonna go back to school shopping for Taylor, but I thought instead of just going back to school shopping,
We want to make it more interesting.
so we could
go get the pooter.
Pooter! It is time. You guys have been asking for a while for us to do
For
the
like
fart
in the
prank.
months.
In the comments,
We're all
you
just
can ask.
talking over each other. We're just
Come on, you gotta
the dogs are everywhere. This video's not going okay.
In the comments, you kept asking us to do another pooter challenge.
We've had messages and comments. You all have been asking for a long time. It was a lot of work to get the first pooter video. We'll put a link right up there so you can watch it if you have it. But they're a lot of work. It's a lot of work to get people's reactions. It's definitely not as easy as it looks.
I'm not gonna be shy at all this
So-
time though. I'm gonna like put my butt all up in people's faces and just like let them rip right.
So as we're back to school shopping, he has the... Have I lost it? Hold on.
There's a technique, ready?
There is a technique.
Ready? You have to, like so, there's an angle about 90 degrees, 30 degrees, and you do about 2 PSI in front of them. And then you...
Oh, shut up. That was a good one. Okay, guys, so we're going to head to the store. We'll check in when we get there, and we'll see how it goes.
You later.
Yeah.
This is seriously so hard. Everything is like airy. I can't get the loud parts. My shoes untied.
How cute is this, Mark? It's $5. What's wrong?
It doesn't feel
Mark?
I was holding on.
She went like this, and she goes, she did it, I swear. What is up, everybody? Okay, so today is day number 2 of this unexpected day number 2. We thought that we were gonna get more reactions yesterday, but people were oddly okay with me farting on them. So today we're gonna go out. I know. So today we're gonna go out and we're gonna get more.
Yep,
and,
but we're also gonna use this spray. We're gonna go like this. And pretend we bless you on them.
Yeah.
And Wally's gonna go over them.
So we were thinking, Taylor has that little squirt bottle, and we were thinking about doing a prank where we fake sneeze and spray the squirt bottle on their neck. And let's see how people freak out. So, peace out!
No!
That was not me.
It was
Whatever.
It was not me.
Okay.
That's like,
It's seriously disgusting.
I'm sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Jesus. It's big. It's just water. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, gosh. Allergies, right? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Are you okay?
Oh, that was disgusting. I am so sorry. Honestly, I'm super sick too, so like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm joking.
Are you?
It's fake. It's not, it's just water. I'm sorry. Oh, gross. I'm sorry. No, it's water. It was water. It's just water. Hey, yeah, you good. Don't worry about it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was disgusting. My fault. My fault. Oh, God. Sorry. Sorry. It's been an allergy season. Yeah, my bad. Okay, good. Shoot. What the? Oh, I'm so sorry. Shoot. Hey, I'm sorry. That was gross. I'm sorry. That was embarrassing. I feel really gross. Because it's like I've been super sick, you know?
Okay, I was gonna say, like, oh my god.
Joey was a garbage.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just, hey, look, hey. It's just a joke. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hot Cheetos, dude, that made me sneeze. Shoot! I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. My allergies. It's fake, look. It's fake, I'm joking.